भलायकी मंत्र्यान भलायकी विभागाचे अधिकार क्षेत्र काढून उडोवचे म्हण मागणी घेवन दाबोळे काँग्रेस पक्षान पत्रकार परिशद घेतली। मुरगांवांतल्या 2 भलायकी केंद्रांचे प्रश्न सुटावो करचो म्हण मागणी काँग्रेसीची आसा। आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर दाबोळेच्यान प्रसाद नाईक।
The Panchayat, Chikali Panchayat has done their bit. They have gone all out in this recent episode of dengue. The health department has not fallen behind. They have also done their part. Merely sitting here and talking will not solve the issue. We have to all come together, sit on the table along with the management, the PTA, Panchayat, health, all other stakeholders like the construction companies who are having the work going on, and chalk out something, what we have done, what we can do, so that no further loss of life is reported from that Rajna Mandir area. Rajna Mandir school is not the only school which has been affected. The area surrounding the school also have been affected by this dengue. And I am sure that better sense will prevail on all the stakeholders, and they will come together to see that nothing happens to the school children who are in Konkani we say Burgi Amchi Greskai.
Now, this is I've seen this area. I will have a discussion. I've heard is on the way. Health officer will be discussing with this whether what level activity is done, and now we'll have site visit with both health officers and see what they have done. Since this construction and NOCs are not given by Health Center Kortani, this is the monitoring part is, and all those anti-larval or health card is to be done by Health Center Vasco, and it is her role to take part in this construction.
But have you noticed any stagnant water in the building?
As we went on that, there is a stagnation of water, but still now the entry-level activities is done. We need to talk to the owner of the construction. Health officer has told me they have strictly directed the owner of the construction to do the entry-level activity. Now we'll have a talk with the health officer from Vasco. Will be able to give a better word on that, because she is directly monitoring this construction site.
आज आमकां खबर आसा, आयकपाक येयलेलें आसा की 11 भुरग्यांक एका स्कुलाचे डेंगू पॉझिटिव्ह टेस्ट जाल्लेली आसा म्हणून. सो एक दुखद घटना आसा ही फक्त एका स्कुला कडेन पर्यंत उरलेली ना, कित्याक ती फक्त हायलायट जाला म्हणून ते एक स्कुलाचें नांव येयलेलें आसा. बट एक्चुअली पळोवपाक गेलेलें आसा आख्ख्या मुर्मुगांव तालुक्यान खुबशे स्कुलांनी हे डेंगूची केसीस वाडत आसा आनी सगळे कडेन वाडत गेल्लेले आसा. आयज कितलेशे आमचे सडा एरिया, तशेंच आमचे जेटी एरिया, बायणा एरिया, मांगोर एरिया, तशेंच आमचे न्यू वाड्या, हे सगळे एरियान हेजो इफेक्ट डेंगूचो इफेक्ट आमकां दिसपाक लागलेलो आसा.